Hi everyone. Welcome back. Today, I want to talk about something super important for your online safety: firewalls. What exactly is a firewall? And why do you need one? Let's break it down with a simple real-time example that anyone can understand. A firewall is like a security system for your computer or network. It watches the data that comes into your device and the data that goes out. Think of it as a filter that helps keep bad stuff out and lets the good stuff in. Now, here's the fun part. Imagine your computer or network is like a building. At the entrance of this building, there's a security guard. This security guard is your firewall. The guard's job is to check everyone trying to come in or go out. Only people with the right ID or permission are allowed inside. If someone looks suspicious or doesn't have permission, the guard stops them at the door. This keeps the building safe from unwanted visitors. Without a firewall, hackers, viruses, and harmful data could sneak into your computer. They might steal your information or cause damage. But with a firewall, you have a guard standing watch 24/7, protecting your digital space. So, to sum it up, a firewall is your computer's security guard. It helps keep bad stuff out and lets the good stuff in. If this explanation helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech videos. Got questions? Leave them in the comments. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.